The beauty of the natural world lies in the details. At Icon, we always believe that these small details make a big difference, whether it's in design, production, or quality checks. Icon, World of Tile. It all starts with premium raw materials, meticulously selected from reliable suppliers to ensure superior quality. Each batch of raw materials is checked and approved by our in-house lab, crushed into a fine dust in our ball mills. These raw elements are the canvas upon which we build, transformed into a slurry. Each batch begins to reveal the potential of what will soon be a durable surface. The spray dryer transforms our mixture to a fine homogeneous powder, setting the stage for precision and consistency in what comes next. Under immense pressure, our presses shape this powder into tiles, strong and resilient, awaiting their unique identities. Drying solidifies their form, preparing them for their transformation into works of art. Glazing layers each tile with vibrant colors and intricate patterns, each formula a proprietary blend of beauty and endurance. We import glaze from very reputable suppliers, known for their quality and consistency. Now comes a crucial part of the process: printing. We use one of the best printing technologies currently available in the market. Our in-house designers and R&D experts ensure that colors and designs stand out. With over 3 decades of expertise, we have an added advantage in developing amazing designs on this canvas. Before printing, our designers take some samples and match them with masterpieces to ensure the same colors and vibrancy. A protective layer is meticulously applied, fortifying each tile against time and wear. In the kilns at 1250 degrees Celsius, our tiles gain their strength and luster, emerging ready to withstand the demands of any environment. We have a kiln from Italy that ensures optimum quality for Icon tiles. Once the tile emerges from the kiln with their strength, it's time to polish them to the desired surface finish and size them to fit perfectly for any application. With our sizing machines, we ensure that there is no variation in size. While the IS standard allows for a plus-minus 0.5% deviation, we maintain a tight tolerance of plus-minus 0.1% in length and width. Each batch undergoes random sampling. Tiles are manually checked for deviations, and records are kept for future optimization. After polishing, we finally achieve the end product that we envisioned. However, at the final station, our quality control team manually checks all tiles before packing, grading them, or rejecting them if they don't meet our strict criteria. After careful inspection and passing quality checks, all tiles are properly packed and stacked in the warehouse, ready for dispatch. We ensure the safety of our products during transport. As part of Icon's philosophy of ideate, innovate, inspire, we have earned our customers' trust over the past 3 decades by consistently supplying the best quality products. As we mentioned earlier, beauty lies in the details, and we scrutinize each one while crafting these remarkable masterpieces. Each member of our team plays a crucial role in making our product the best in its class.